Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Nissan Versa. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a trip computer, tilt steering wheel, and much more. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.